Smartfalicious.
Smartfalicious?
What is it? Smart?
Smartfalicious.
Little blue thing? Smartfalicious.
Oh, Smurfalicious.
That would be
Smart.
but they
with
made
the
an
I.
I instead of an U.
Yeah,
So
it has to do with our chip that we use.
Smart.
That's the blue Smurf.
It's a blue Smurf, Bluetooth.
Smart thing. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You need some time? You're okay? Hang on, give a second. Oh, what's the link? Yeah. Who has the link? I think Henry knows.
Ask him here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so basically we made a blue Smirfette, and it is a Bobot that's controlled by an Android device, and it has an ultrasound sensor at the front, so it's an obstacle avoiding robot.
So we can just demonstrate. Do you want to
Oh,
drive?
well, just a little bit more.
Okay.
It uses the accelerometer on the Android to control it forward, backward, and then turning both ways. And when it gets within 4 inches of a obstacle, then it overrides the forward motion and just halts.
Yeah, and it can still move in any other direction, so just make sure that it doesn't, back into a target.
So is the thing running on the Android, is that something custom you programmed or something off the shelf?
It was off the shelf.
Yeah, it's called Armorino, so it's got these interrupts. And so you can have different sort of events. So all the different sensors on my phone, I can pick different things to interface. So we use the accelerometer in particular.
Armorino?
Oh, okay.
Armorino, yeah.
Okay, but it's not like just a driving program that already exists. So then what does it do?
Oh, no,
How does
it
it
is,
communicate? It sends, what does it send?
Yeah, it's I think like a serial link, so it's Bluetooth.
So it's Bluetooth?
Yeah.
And so it sends something like accelerometer left, accelerometer right?
It sends data about I think it's an array of 3 numbers, and so it's X, Y, Z coordinates from the accelerometer, and so this is just sort of processing that. And
No differentiating.
yeah,
And then what's it using to sense obstacles?
just the ultrasonic sensor.
So the Bobot itself has an Arduino or something?
Yeah,
Yeah,
attached to it.
it's on the
And
top.
so
That's
we-
connected to the ultrasonic sensors, it's connected to the Bluetooth receiver.
Yeah.
This Bluetooth back. Okay. Okay, so I'll just give it a short demonstration. So actually, ideally this would have been wireless, but one issue that we ran into is I think it requires a certain amount of power to run the servos and the sensor, so we're just going to leave it plugged in.
If you didn't have a big enough battery?
Yeah, it just was lagging and wasn't really continuous. So this is the sensor that we're using to stop. Turn forward, back.
There's a lag. Yeah.
Yeah, we
you can
use
see there's still a bit of a lag.
yeah.
Huh.
It can't sense the edge of the table.
No, that would be good.
Edge detection.
Okay.
So yeah, just the basic stop. The lag is something that we'd want to work on a bit, but just to sort of get this ping sensor and the Bluetooth to work at the same time, we had to introduce it. But that's something that we try to minimize.
Well, the lag is from the multi-threading or something?
Yeah, like we have in our code, essentially, there's a delay of 10 seconds, and it only updates the sensor every 10 iterations of that.
10 seconds.
Or not,
So
sorry, not
that's
10
working at
seconds.
all.
Sorry, 10 milliseconds.
Milliseconds,
Yeah. Or is it 10? Is it milliseconds for the?
10
this one?
milliseconds.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry
so
about
can we
that.
see it avoiding an
Yeah.
obstacle?
Yeah, sure. Well, it's just mainly that it won't crash into it. We didn't really get to the part where you could drive around it, but that'll be the next step. So you could come up with a scanning algorithm for the robot and try. But right now it just stops when it's an obstacle within 4 inches. So we're using
was
this.
that- Was that doing the stopping? I guess I'm not sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
It's stopped.
drive it towards this and let's see if it.
Yeah, it's not.
So
Okay, now it won't go
I'm
any
trying
further.
to- Yeah,
But we can still move in any other direction. So.
yeah, so you